All that stuff I told you about Tate, yeah, it was true.
No, it's not.
You're still gonna pick a side when he got arrested?
Yeah, I am gonna believe him over you. I literally do not know you, you fucking weirdo.
I don't have the time to deal with you anymore.
Literally, fuck off. What is your issue?
I told you I'm in love with Tate.
Yeah, well, so am I.
Guess we'll have to see who he picks then.
I'm going home. I literally cannot deal with this right now.
Good, I'll see you at me and Tate's wedding.
The fuck? Tate? What are you doing here? I thought you got arrested.
Listen, I don't have much time, but you need to come run away with me.
Run away with you? To where?
Anywhere. We just need to get out of here, now.
Okay.